In this tip of the day, I'd like to demonstrate how you can use one machining operation to apply toolpath to multiple pockets, all with different depths. All right, it's very easy to do, so let's get started. Now in this example, we're using a solid model. All the orange pockets are at a depth of minus 800 thousandths, the green pockets at minus 450 thousandths, and the two blue pockets are at minus 250 thousandths. Now the command we're going to be using on this is the Z-level rough command. So for all of you that have OneCNC Mill Advantage, OneCNC Mill Professional, or OneCNC Mill Expert, this is going to be available for you to use. All right, here's what you do. Take your cursor, head over to the Command Manager, and select Model Toolpaths. From there, select Z-level rough. What we want to do now is we want to define the tool. In this example, I'm using a 1/2 inch diameter flat end mill. My speeds and feeds look great, so I'm going to click next on that. My clearance values all look good, so I'm going to click next there. I'm going to be using high speed closed as the strategy for the toolpath here. That looks great, so we're going to click next. I'm going to ramp helix into each pocket. We'll click next on that. Now, even though the pockets are all at different depths, I'm going to be using a depth of cut of 250 thousandths, and I'm going to leave 20 thousandths on the wall of all the pockets. Let's click next. Now for boundary type, I'm going to be using this purple wireframe geometry that's right at the edge of the part there. So where it says boundary type, I want to make sure that I have picked selected. All right, so with picked selected, we can click finish. Take your cursor, simply left-hand click on your boundary and right-hand click, and all the pockets on the inside are going to be machined. And there we go. Now if you'd like, if you want to exclude the toolpath in this counterbore area, that's also very simple to do. All we need to do is modify our boundary. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit here. Let's head back over to the Command Manager, go into our line command, and all I'm going to do is just grid point snap, something like this. Just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to trim this. When I'm finished creating the lines, I'm going to right click, and then as a shortcut, I'm going to hit the letter X on the keyboard. That's a shortcut to our scissor trim command. Here you can just simply click on the geometry that you want to get rid of. It's very, very fast. And so now if we want to, we don't have to re-execute this command. All we have to do is just re-pick the geometry. So I'm going to go with re-pick path, and I'm just going to quickly move through these dialog boxes by clicking next. Finished. Now it says, do you want to repick the boundary? Yes, I do. So I'm going to click yes, left click the new boundary and right click, and let OneCNC generate the toolpath. And there you go. There's a quick and easy way to apply a machining operation to pockets with multiple depths. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. I hope it helped out. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.